the traditional web design agency is dead. If you are still charging $1,000 for a website and hoping for a referral to pay your next month rent, you're already out of business. Business owners don't really care about how beautiful the code is. They care about one thing: return on investment. So I'm documenting my journey from $0 to $10,000 a month in recurring revenue. This is Tech Bro Sam. Today, I'm showing you my 3-pillar systems that make this goal inevitable. Now, one of the first problems that web designers have is lead generation. Most people fail at lead generation because they go after everyone. They don't use automated data machines to hunt for digital ghosts. Let's say I'm looking at a business right now in high-ticket niche. Let's say roofing or spa that has 100 5-star reviews but does not have a website. Think about that. These are businesses that are already winning in the real world, but they are invisible in the digital world. So these businesses don't just need a pretty portfolio. They need a bridge. I am selling the bridge to the customers they are already losing to their competitors every single day. Now, the second problem that most web designers have is the outreach method. Now, how do you get these busy owners on the phone? You use volume and presence. So I have built a system that lets me reach out to at least 50 decision makers in the morning. So here is the catch. I am not calling to pitch anything to them.
Wow.
I am not a salesperson. So I am positioning myself as a consultant, pointing out the hole in their bucket. When you show a business owner where they are actually losing money, they don't ask about your price. They just ask, how fast can I get this fixed? So the third pillar is where the systems now comes in. This is the brain behind everything that we are talking about today. And I call it the SaaS approach. That is software with a service. Now, I don't hand over a website and say goodbye. I integrate a business brain into their company. Imagine a customer calls my client at 7 p.m. on a Saturday. My client is probably at home with his family and the call goes to voicemail. In normal words, that lead is dead. That is to say, my clients have lost that customer. But with systems in place, I will help that client to recover that lead by maybe I'm a voice agent, pick up that call, or I will send a missed call text back to the customer that just called to inquire about the business or to book an appointment, which can be done directly through the tech and automations I am putting in place for that customer. So by the time my client wakes up, he's already having money in his bank. So the only thing that is left for my clients to do now is going and fulfilling the customer's demands. So this system alone, which books appointments for my clients, is worth over $500 per month to any business owner. Why? Because if you multiply this by 20 customers per month, let's say, if this system helps my customer close at least 3 to 4 leads a week, leads that are supposed to be lost clients, it helps my customer close at least 3 to 4 per week, is gaining nothing less than $10,000. Now, telling that customer to come and pay you $500 per month for this system is a no-brainer. So now to achieve my $10,000 is very simple. I can get 20 customers that pays me around $500 per month, and $10,000 is complete from a system that I am going to set up once and it works 24/7. I don't have to go back and reset it. I'm just going to do that system once, other than building a website and giving it out without any recurring revenue and hoping and praying for the next client. I do this instead and get recurring revenue like a business is supposed to do. So here is the complete client roadmap. Like I said before, now the first step is I meet up with this client and I'm going to charge him $1,500, right? That $1,500 is just for the setup fee. Then I can charge him $497 per month for the system maintenance fees and hosting, right? So the goal is get 20 clients. That is $30,000 upfront in cash and $10,000 every single month in recurring revenue. Note that I am starting from zero. I have the data, I have the outreach engine, and I have the software. No, most creators will try to sell you a course in the beginning. Yes, I have courses that I sell for web design and other courses like copywriting, stuff like that. But for this, I am just going to show you me actually doing this. If I win, you see the blueprint. If I fail, you see the mistakes. I am posting my wins and my loss every time on my social media handles. So if you want to see the specific tools and tech stack I am using to automate this entire strategy, comment the word system below. Subscribe to watch the journey to $10,000. The journey starts here. Let's go to work.